Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to see where a Canva file is saved. This is useful for finding designs quickly and keeping projects organized. On the Canva dashboard, if we want to know where a file is saved, all we need to do is go to the Projects section. Here, on the middle left part of the dashboard, do you see that? We just need to click on that. Here, we can see all our projects. But if we want to find a specific project, all we have to do is type the project name in the search bar. Just type it in here. Let's try this one as an example. Once we can see the project we searched for, all we have to do is click the 3 horizontal lines on the upper right of the project. Then we will see the details. And right away, we can see the saved location of the project. This helps us find where our Canva file is stored, whether it's in a folder, a project, or a shared space. It makes it easier to manage files, avoid duplicates, and quickly get to the designs we need. And that's how we check where a Canva file is saved. With this simple method, we can stay organized and find our designs much faster.